We are live. So if you join, please don't forget to hit the like button. It is very, very important you do so. That's one of the way you can support us in this platform. Like the video as we move forward. Okay, you have seen the title. We are here to react. This is my take, all right? This is my what I think and what I feel about the video of Seung Kuti. You know, a few days ago, he made this a video. Although he in this video that we're about to watch, he said that that video was done months ago. I think he said 18 months, maybe a year plus. And PM decided to react to that video. Maybe maybe somebody shared that to PM. You understand? And what I mean by PM, I'm talking about Biafran Prime Minister Master Ekpa. So he responded to this guy, and the response did not go down well with the Shehu, and the Shehu decided to make another one. And in that one he says something very, very interesting. You know, when I was reacting to the first video, someone from Oduduwaland came to my life on the last video that we did, and he was like, why are we against Kuti that he expects us to be supporting what he's saying? And I was like, did you really hear what he said, or you just want to support because you want to support? That you don't have any proof, okay, to justify what he's saying is right. Okay, so you don't just say that, because sometimes when you don't pay attention to what people said and you jump to the conclusion that you want to comment, you know, you want to say something because probably you have this kind of affiliation to the person, you like the person, you don't care to understand what the person has said. All you just care about is to, you know, comment. And by so doing, you may make a very big mistake. Before you realize, it may be too late. So Shehu decided to come up with another video, which we are going to listen to. But before then, I want to let us know that this video is not about ethnic confrontation, or it's not about banter. You know, I don't want to see it as that we are trying to, you know, speak down or look down or play down what people are doing, or to insult anybody. No, it's about the person that made the video. It's not about the ethnic group or people from Oduduwaland. So don't misunderstand anything here. I'm trying to explain it. I'm just trying to give this warning, so that you will not be, oh, you are talking, oh, you're Moibu, because last video I did, the intention of that guy was to twist the whole narrative that is about Yoruba people. No, she could have a right to say whatever he want to say, and anybody have a right to react, to put the record straight. You understand? So that is how it should be. Good morning to you, Excellence Wachuku. I see you. You say good day. You say good day, bro. And our own brother also is here, Armstrong. Good morning, Kai Report. I see you. Thank you so much. So, guys, do me a favor, like this video so that others will join us as we move forward. When you hear them talking about, oh, we want Nigeria to be this, they always have this kind of mindset. In fact, the roadmap to make everything work is on their head. But when it gets to okay, come and put it to work, come and show us, they will start making a series of excuses, telling you how this person should have done this, it should have been this, it should have been that. You know, all those things they are saying is just to make you feel that, oh, they know what they're saying. Put that into action. If you listen to that video the last video that I did, the previous video about this Kuti and PM, that's the last video the last stream that we streamed here. If you pay attention, if you follow very well, if you listen to that video very, very well, you understand that what PM said there is not even against this guy. Like, he's just trying to remind him, to record his attention, to understand what happened. Okay, to know, maybe he's not aware, which I doubt, because another video surfaced that his father even told him they took me something while I was in prison. I also played that video, that man, or what he said in our previous video. So now that he want to respond to PM, look at how he started. Because the way you arrange your bed, so you shall lie on it. Now listen.
Oh man, I won't die, man. I won't die. So yeah, since he has spoken, I will respond to him. Normally, I don't for respond to him, but they carry their intrigues. They carry their game, enter MOP. You know, agents everywhere.
MOP. I don't know what this MOP is called. I don't know what the group that he's talking about. What he's trying to say here is that in the MOP they have, it maybe movement of something, I don't know. It should be, of course, he's championing good Nigerian and how Nigerian will work and all that, which he's right. He has right to do whatever he believes on. But that organization, he's trying to tell you that they have agents everywhere. I just want you to pay attention in this live broadcast, because you may have watched this video, but the explanation that we are going to give out in this video, it will add more sense to what you know about the video. Now, he's trying to let you know that PM and Biafrans do plant agents everywhere. That in their organization called MOP or whatever he said, that they wanted to bring this IPOB of a thing in that group, and he knocked them out. Look at it. Listen, see here how he presented it.
Agent left, right, and center. You know? You never see Simon Ekpa video about me. His hip-hop leader video. You don't see how. Anyway, let me come and now, they take meeting now, they did for our group, they did for our Instagram. That's why I pulled them out. I abort. They wanted to they want turn MOP to IPOP a branch. I catch them, I twist them, I come out them. So I'm not surprised, say in contact, say some people, those are his agents in MOP, came to show him a video. When last did I talk about hip-hop and Igbo?
Now listen, you said you made a video, something that you have talked to, something that you said about IPOP or Igbo in your word for a very long time ago. So why are you worried that people share that video now? I mean, if actually that you made that video for public consumption, it shouldn't be a problem for someone to share it. What are you trying to say? And how on earth will somebody bring IPOB, the group organized and spearhead by you as an Oduduwa man? So it doesn't make any sense. If the intent of the people is to make you to turn to IPOB in your word, you are not a Biafran. So don't you know the meaning of IPOB? Indigenous people of Biafra. So it has to do with you. You are totally different from what IPOB stands for. You are not IPOB. You cannot be a Biafran. It doesn't make any sense. You should be mindful of where you come from and what you stand for. So if the people have, maybe they disagree with your Igbo idea, it does not mean that they are trying to bring IPOB in your group, because this is kind of narrative they want to paint, that Igbo people want to dominate. That is part of the dominance they are talking about. In your group, they want to bring IPOB. So when people react to this kind of video, some people should not take it personal. Always trying to understand the point that your hero is making, because when he make that kind of point to insult other people, and when people react to that, you should be a man enough to take it. What this guy is saying here, or trying to say here, because some people may not even see it the way I'm saying it, is to let you know that Biafrans, IPOB, Simon Ekpa, Biafran government in exile, they always plant agents everywhere. Agent what? Your MOP agenda is not Biafran agenda. So what is the point having agent in your midst? It doesn't make any sense. You are running on your own parallel line, and anybody that want to copy or take anything from there, just doing it just for maybe to expose your ignorance or maybe how gullible you are. So you don't insult people that they're planting agent everywhere. What are you doing your MOP that Biafran want to plant agent for you? And your video that you're talking about, you said you made this 18 months ago and you made it for public consumption. So why is it a problem that when somebody or people shared it for people to see the video more? Now PM response did not even insult you direct. He's just trying to remind you of your flop, something that that you're supposed to be doing that you are not doing. That is the essence of the video, and the video is very clear, very clear, clear message. Now let's continue listening to his explanation.
Before election, long time ago, about hip hop and Igbo. Before election, long time ago, I spoke about them 18 months, even if not 2 years. 1 or 2 years ago, long time matter. But now today, I be yesterday, I be which day, Simon Ekpa say, he can't see the video to respond. The question I've asked them, over.
Okay, sorry about that. He says he began show disrespect to him, Papa. How? What did Samanapa said there? What the PM said there? What Biafran said? That is not what happened. Just mention one thing. Everything everybody have said about it is actually what happened. Is your father not being paid by Nigerian state? That's the question. That's the one. And he jumped all those things. He did not even deliberate or comment or tell people, oh yes, what happened, what the government did to my father is not enough to explain things. You cannot, there are some things or allegation or comment that somebody will make on you or say about you that you have no choice than to explain it. You were expected to say something about it, deliberate on it, and let people know what you think about what happened to you. It happened to your grandmother. It happened to your father. And now you are trying to be politically correct. You are trying to make people see you as one of the hero. This guy is very nice. He knows what he's saying. He wish everybody well. He wants this country to forge ahead. He wants everything to, because these are the same people telling you that system is bad and the system is not good, and let's continue with the system. My car is not good. My engine is faulty. We may have accident on the way, but just boarding. Let's go, guys. Jump in. Let's go. I will drive you. First of all, you admit that your car is not good. Your tire is shaking. Your steering is not good. In fact, your shoe brake is not working. Everything is faulty, and the tendency of that car to crash is high. Yes, you want people to jump in, let them just go in, so that we can now start the car and drive them to the destination where you have already explained them that this car is not good, and you are encouraging them to get bored. They should jump board into the car, jump into the car, let me drive you, let's go. So what are you trying to say? What is the essence of the explanation that you gave in first place? Telling people that this car is not good. It is not, it will crash. Everything about the pass is not working. Even the brake, how is faulty. But jump in, let's go. Enter the car, let's go. I will drive you. That's what you're trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. You cannot tell people that after explaining that this, because some of his videos he's talking about what politicians are doing. When you listen to his video about Yaya Bello, you will say, wow, this guy is he's very good. He can articulate something. He understand what is going on. He knows the problem of the country. Then tell him, okay, my brother, let's go. What are we going to do? You see a different person entirely. Now, let me bring to you the second part of the video so that you will see, because
It surprised me. You that are telling people to die for Biafra. as if your system is stopping death. Your system is not stopping.
Now, pay attention very, very well here. I just want to drag it back. Pay attention and tell me if this guy is normal or not. Listen.
That thing surprised me. You that are telling people to die for Biafra, that people are getting killed. So it's not as if your system is stopping death. Your system is not stopping people from being killed.
Fine, which means he have a system that is stopping people from being killed. That is not Biafra. That like he have a system that, because he said not like your system is not stopping people from being killed. I hope you understand what I'm saying. He started by telling you that not like your system. He's talking to PM and Biafrans, that you asking for Biafra, you that is asking for Biafrans to do this. You want people to believe in your cause. You want people to give you that opportunity. You want to have your own freedom, and this your freedom that you're asking for. It's not as if when you finally have it, or the process of having it, that your system have this kind of special way of making it possible, and people will not buy and they will not. Now, what is the system of the country that you are defending have for their security agencies not to be buying in the hands of Boko Haram? Politicians are being buyed, okay? Civilians, people that are not even in politics, are being buyed. People, security agencies are being buyed in the same system that you are defending, and you are here questioning other people what they have, that it is very obvious that it's different from what you are supporting or what you are championing. But just look at cheap, one of the most useless comments, that it is not as if your system prevent people from being buyed, prevent people from getting killed, but your own system is a chief system. In fact, that's the number one system that buy people, as long as you are part of it. Dola Akwere, what happened to her? Was she agitating to break up? Was she not part of the system? How did she die? This man from Plateau, Dr. Man Lavia, what by him? Just that he complained, he was agitated of the way things are going in the Northeast. He was calling even Christians to stand up and do sit at home, civil disobedience. Only that video cost him his life. Your father was not agitating for breakup of Nigeria or anything as such. What by your father? Even somebody that your father messaged, the person happened to listen to your father when your father was even telling you, saying that they took me something in prison. The video is there. You have seen all those things, yet you want to question the ability of Biafrans to make sure they are fighting their freedom without getting paid. They want to use the pipe to scare you away from what you're supposed to be doing, as if you don't even ask for Biafran that you're not getting killed, they will stick by you. Those people that buy in Plateau, in Benue, were they sitting for any breakup? Are they also part of Biafrans? You just face camera and start talking nonsense. Even if you want, yes, you may have different opinion with the Biafrans or PM and other people, but there's some comment that you will make, it makes you look so stupid and foolish.
The system you and your Nnamdi Kanu have devised, because you said in your video, as if you have sense, that you want to be, and why do you look gay? Not that I'm saying being gay is wrong. Is it because you are the white people, you have a white boyfriend, because the makeup on your face is too much? You and Bobrisky, they do competition.
Now he's trying to deviate from the main point. He is trying to deviate from main issue. The question here that what PM just outlined some point for you. If you have sense, if you have pedigree in you, what you should have done is picking them one by one. Okay, Simon, you said, because you don't come PM, right? I understand. Simon, you said this and this and this. Now look at what happened. This is how my father been bad. My father was not being pied in prison. He was not being pied by Nigerian state. He was so sick. He was having this kind of image. His doctor confirmed this. That's what you should have done. If you want to debunk what PM said, that's how a reasonable person respond. But because you have nothing to say now, you started by, oh, why do you look gay? Oh, why do you look gay? You and Bobby Risky. What does that have to do with what I'm talking about? If PM look gay, it simply means that you are interested in gay people. Yes. Maybe that's why your concert, you have more concert in the Western world than in Africa. I have not seen you having any concert in Kenya. No concert in Cameroon, in South Africa. I have not. Maybe you have in South Africa, probably maybe when they are having maybe festival, you just go there to. Of course, this is a last song. You come there and your elder brother Femi will also join them, and you people will represent Africa, and that kind of with your Fuji music and all that. But when it comes to your own personal concert, you always have it in Europe. So mingling in the midst of white people means gay. Then you have been in gay field before any other person because you did not start your concert today.
Why did we make up past Bobrisky? Why did we make up past Bobrisky? Simon? Is that why the Europeans are protecting you?
Man, here we go. He said, is that why Europeans are protecting you? Is that why? So you to know the level of number of people in Nigeria that want PM head. If some of them don't even talk, but when the push get shot, they will vomit their real mindset. Is that why? So everybody is wondering, oh, why is this guy still this? Why is it that they cannot repatriate him back home? Why is he not? If the question and they don't get answered, they will come back. Oh, you are not here fighting. Why don't you fight from? Why did you come here and fight? You should come here and fight. Why don't you are there sending people to get by? Who sent your father to get by? You talked about sending people to get by. Who sent your mother, your grandmother, to get killed in the same system? Because some of the questions that you are asking people, or in the name you are trying to bring PM and Biafrans down, is actually what has happened in your own family, and none of you were able to come up with any reasonable answer. All the answer they have given out is senseless, useless. Making comment and trying to play comedy or whatever you are trying to. Because why do you look gay? This question you should take it serious. That your father is not your father only. It started with your grandmother. Do you understand? So you cannot just pretend that everything is let me not just let me just say it so that DSS will not hold me, because the system that they're operating there. Are you trying to tell me that if Nigeria happen to be like if they are respecting their own law like the Westerners do in their own, people like you by now you'll be holding seminars, because you know the truth, but because sometimes they say people normally say that lion don't give birth to goats, but in this present age, my dear, sometimes what we are seeing here, what we are seeing in our own generation, lion they give birth to goat. Very very clear. Many like I don't want to deviate from the topic. I have many people in my mind now to call out to mention here that their father you can say their father is a lion. They're very very vocal. They're very very strong. But when you look at some of their children and their sons, and it looks like they gave birth to goat. You understand? Imagine your father that was very very brutal in the military regime, using his music to question everything that is needed to be questioned, to test his test government strength. And during military era, you don't come out now to say, "Oh, my father was," because most of you are living in the effort of your father. None of you have the time to even create your own. Today, you're not that your music is classy. You're just selling your album because with your father's name. You know that guy is a fella, so you know fella. Okay, give me his album, let me play. That's how you making your money with your father's name. Your last name is what is paving way for you. But before your father built that name, your grandmother was making an attempt, and she gave birth to Lion. And what did fella give birth to? Your guess is as good as mine. So let's continue listening to his funny video.
Because of your makeup. Is that why? Is that why the Europeans are protecting you?
Now, protecting him from what? Is that why Europeans are protecting him from what? Shehu, you have seen people, Yoruba, Oduduwa people being by in the hands of Fulani. No comment, no condemnation. All you care about is when you hear breaking news. Mr. Okokeka for looted how many to so billion. You will come out. Oh, you see what he don't even need that money. You do your illustration and explanation, everything would look so yummy. People will say, okay, this guy have brain. He has something upstairs. After those things, after talking, what next? Nothing. But when they carry, people they buy that you can see the evidence, everything. You mute your camera, your mic immediately. You mute it. You are talking about PM. If the activities of PM protecting Biafran land, if you do 2% of that in Dudua land, then I will call you a man. 2%, just 2%. Make Oduduwa people to believe on you. Make them to believe, just to believe in you and contribute $1 only. I'm not saying for a month. Try it just 2 times only. You can use 3 months or 4 months and give yourself a try. If you were able to raise any reasonable amount of money, okay, to even buy cutlass, to cut, to enter bush and do 1 or 2 things, then you're a man. Just try it. Come live. Just go live in your platform. Start to preach to your people. Just preach to them about what is it, Oduduwa. Start preaching about Oduduwa freedom in your own. Just use your platform and try it. If you hit 1,000 view, in fact, let me know say, because PM hits, you know now. If you hit only 1,000 view in one of your live stream about Oduduwa, not about Nigerian, just try. If you hit, then you know you're a man. If you can mobilize whatever you call it, security outfit, vigilante group, anything, you just give it a name that of your choice. Let them go and confront any Fulani. I'm not talking about bandit. I'm talking about those ones that rear cows, those ones that carry cows in numbers. Go just to chase them out from Yoruba land. If you try it just 1 week and you survive, you're a man. You are talking about a man. I don't want to go to Mazama, but you mentioned Mazama Makana. That one, that one is bringing Mazama Makana in this topic is an insult to Mazama Makana. I cannot be fooled. I cannot be a fool to disgrace Mazama Makana with this your nonsense talk. I am talking about PM. Okay, you are not in the same level. To be honest with you, I'm not insulting you, but you are just. Koiki is more valuable for Yoruba people than you. Koiki Media is more valuable. Bringing some Igbo to your name is an insult to Igbo. I can't do that because these are people that you are mentioning, you are tackling their names. They are not against you whatever you believe on. These are people who say that, look, our farmers, vulnerable people, their life matter. That's what they stand for. And you every time you are naked, ranting, with your only Igbo. So what you see is about people need to know their level. You need to know your level.
My brother, your makeup
Oga, rub makeup and defend your land. That's why if you do that, you see makeup, go and apply makeup. But after making that, make it act like a man. Don't tell me that you don't know, you don't see what you know. You know what is, you have seen, you know what PM is up to. That's why you are very eager to know why Europeans are protecting him. People like you are the people, one of the people like you are those that used to, they push to do one or two things to make sure that, why can you do this? Let's bring him down. And you want to be relevant. You want traffic in your page, and you're getting it now. You're getting it. I see that your video normally you hit 1,000, sometimes 500, sometimes 2,000, sometimes, but now one of your videos, sometimes 10,000, some 5. But now, the last video you made is 18, just a few hours ago. 18. Biafrans are paying you a visit. But let it be positive. That's the only thing I can tell you. Let it be positive. Like I said, this video is not about, I'm not against Yoruba people to do what you know. I'm talking about what comes out from this guy's mouth. What he's saying, what is coming out from his brain, from his mouth, what is the utterances that he's making against Biafrans. Mazan Kanu to you is nobody, isn't it? The sufferness of Igbo in 1 week, you have not tested it. These people.
Why do you wear makeup like that on your face? I'm asking. No, I'm just saying. Is that why? Is that why? Because me going sometimes I paint my nails for one hand, so I understand that I sometimes want to look pretty. So me, people attack me. So why they wear this thing? I explain myself. So let me, you two, please explain why all the makeup silent. Why all the makeup silent? Why the makeup, prof?
Guys, hit the like button, like this video, like the video. Some of you have not liked the video, please do.
Tell us someone we don't know, Simon.
Okay, what you don't know is that the reason why he's being protected is because he's doing the right thing. And you are educated, and you told us you are. And you don't know what freedom is all about. And you think that Europeans that you are, that, when you want to give Nigerians example, this your explanation, you will put it in a way that it will look like Europeans are a problem. They are the main problem. Okay, and at the same time, your concert in Germany is next week. Your concert in London is upper week. Who is deceiving who? Who is deceiving who? You don't condemn Europeans, because what you're trying to say here is that Simon Ekpa, PM is giving them service. That he's a gay in your word, right? And he's more muscular than you. He's more built than you. I don't know where you have, this idea of gay comes from, but to me, it's envy. That's the way I look at it, because you know that your skin and his own is not, his own is very, very fresh, and yours is not. It's not. I don't mean to insult you, but that is just a fact. Okay, let's wait for the video to load. Okay. Okay, talk now.
You want to go into all the financial scandals? Matter of 2 years. 2 years or something ago. Tell us someone we don't know, Simon. You want to go into all the financial scandals? All the financial scandals that you have perpetrated on the gullible Biafrans.
Okay, you are the one gullible. You are the one gullible because you don't know what you don't know what you are saying. So let me because he made mention of scandal. Now, my people, for you, if you what PM have gone through. This is one of the scandals that he's talking about. He made mention of what did they call it? What did he say just now? He said that financial scandal. Okay, this is, you can see this picture. You see this one? For this is when DOS are doing everything possible to bring PM and Biafran government down. They went to, they went to dig out this video. You can see this video. They did it with PM face, and this is the outcome. They showed people this one, then PM now brought this out, and that scandal died a natural death. The same thing they're talking about, he's saying that scandal. The scandal, financial scandal he's talking about is when they're claiming that there's that he Tinubu pay him money, politicians are paying PM money and all that nonsense. So where is the evidence? You are paying PM money, and the same people that he's paying him money are sending people to Finland to bomb him. How does that make sense? So if you don't know what PM is going through, you may believe this kind of thing. That's why I said that. Last time I said that I can't do what PM or Mazakana is doing, and some people misunderstand that. They misunderstood me. They said that, which means you are not Biafran enough. You don't love us. You don't do it. No, listen. I've said it in the past. If you cannot believe PM, if you cannot believe Mazakana, it's in me that you want to believe. I can't. And some of you, when people are suffering on your behalf, what do? You choose. That is when you see in all the reason on the earth, all the reason in this world to rise against that person. And you expect me to, after seeing how people are going through, you want people, anybody that wants to, PM is he's the answer. That's just the fact. And let me bring to you because PM have already responded to this one, and here we go. This is PM video in response to what this guy have said so far. Now let's play it.
But all Seung, Kuti, I see you again ranting. You even call yourself a hero. I don't know which of the hero you are, but all I can see is somebody whose brain has been damaged by over smoking of weed. Somebody like you, if you are sensible enough, should be in the forefront of fighting those who killed your father, killed your grandmother. But here you are, as a coward that no longer reasoned properly. You're mentioning people who died without achieving the reason they went to fight in the first place. You are mentioning that we don't fight like that. We are learning, we have learned from what happened to those people you mentioned, who you see as a hero, why they fought and died without achieving the aim of the struggle, of their own struggle. No, we learned from them. So we're not going to give ourselves away to become a hero after we are gone. We must fight to achieve the aim of fighting. And that's the reason some of us are fighting from outside. And as a face of a struggle, we cannot fight like other people who fought and lost and died. No. So we are fighting wisely, fighting from outside as the face of the struggle. I want you to understand there is a difference between the face of the struggle and those who are actually making things happen. So we have people who make things happen, and we have the face of the struggle. I am the face of the Biafra struggle today, as the Prime Minister of the Biafra Republic of Nigeria. You don't need to agree, you are not a Biafra. And even if you are a Biafra, you don't need to agree. That's why we are human. But let me tell you, you said that we are in democracy. What is democracy? Can you define democracy? Does Nigeria look like a country that is in democracy today? The answer is no. And that's why I said you don't have sense. You are just a boy who have the opportunity Actually, as now you come out and say that Nigeria is a democracy. Do you see democratic system where military are mounting roadblock and checkpoint, enforcing disappearance of their citizens every day? No, that's not democracy. The democratic is just quoting on what is going on in Nigeria. Nigeria is not a democratic system. Military, the rulership is there. It's not democratic. We saw what happened in the last election, which Biafra did not take part, in the last election. And people were killed, butchered, humiliated, assaulted in Lagos. So, Seung, I think that you need some kind of assaulted in Lagos. So, Seung, I think that you need some kind of rehabilitation so that your brain can work, if your brain can still work at all. You need rehabilitation. And next time you are talking something, addressing me or want to address Biafrans, please, we are very decent people. Wear some shirt, okay? Don't just come. This is not Nigeria. If you want to talk about Nigeria, you can dress anyhow you want. But when you want to talk about Biafra or refer to us, or make reference to us, dress decently. And if you want to go to gym, like me, I usually do, you can also be, topless in the gym. Not when you come to make a video, you showing your lizard body. If you have muscle like me, I don't know whether you'll be making live video naked or something. So please, next time you want to talk to me, be decent, okay? Dress like me, dress very decently, so that some of us will close our eyes and listen to what you want to say, if there is anything you are saying at all. But when people forward your video to me, I want to look at somebody talking, like a vulture that was beaten by rain. This hair is here, another hair is here, another two hair is here. I don't know, so you look very unkept. Please. Last time you slapped the policeman, very calmly policeman, who was not very aggressive towards you. That was wrong. We don't fight like women. Okay? I fight those that carry gun to kill my people. I don't go fight innocent policemen who are very calm, like what you did, and displayed very, very stupid behavior of you. Slapping a policeman who doesn't have a gun, who was not even reacting or shouting at you, you were slapping him. First, second, you pushed. And this is somebody who will be influencer, who will be talking, and some people are sharing the video. You don't have that particular, dignity for to advise people who are reasonable. But I'm making this video because I watched you talk about you are in democracy. Nigeria is not a democracy. It's not a democratic country. In Biafra land, we have military leaders everywhere. Maybe they are not in Yoruba land. So before you talk about the ordeal of Biafra people, go there, travel to Biafra land, and see things for yourself, and stop making fool of yourself. You should be the one in the forefront of Yoruba agitation, because your father, your grandmother died like chicken. You even added flies. That's exactly how they died. And today, you are supporting those who killed them. Obasanjo, your father called Obasanjo international thief. Obasanjo, your father called Abiola international thief. Today, where is your father? Where is Abiola? Where is Obasanjo? They are there. Obasanjo is dead. Abiola is dead. Abiola was killed. The same people who killed your father killed Abiola. So it is only a fool that will come on social media with the kind of a history your family have and be talking in favor of those who put you in this condition you are today. Thank you.
That is a PM there. That is a PM there. We have to, end the broadcast because we don't want this video to be too long, but the message has been sent. What PM said here, I see. I just flow because nothing to explain. Everything is just like what I was trying to say, and this response is from PM, and he responded to this guy very, very well, very, very clear. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. We are going to be live again later. The situation of fuel in Nigeria is very, very strong, and I may come on. I may be live again. Let me see if I don't have the chance, I will be live again. I'll be back again. Ngozi Obona, thank you so much for your comment. All of you that put in comment, I really thank you. I appreciate that. I did not mention your name does not mean that I did not see what you're saying. But I'm trying to focus on the program because that's what people are complaining about. That I keep on calling names and names and names, and they don't feel happy with that. So bear with me. Godwin, I see you. Armstrong, all of you. Blessing Chuku, who again? Owen Palace, I see you. Ngozo Bona, of course. Who again? Okay. So these are the few that I can call now. Okay, Osuji, I see you. Blessing Chuku, of course. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I really appreciate your time. Please like the video before you go. Thank you and see you again. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It's very, very important you do so. Bye bye for now, guys. Take care.